Save big money in 2025. Saving money in 2025, it's a crucial aspect of navigating today's economy. With prices rising and financial uncertainty looming, it's more important than ever to have a solid plan in place to secure your financial future. And that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. When it comes to managing our finances, many of us face a multitude of challenges. Inflation is a major concern as prices continue to creep up, eating away at our hard-earned cash. It's like trying to hold water in our hands. The harder we try to grasp it, the more it seems to slip away. And then, of course, there are those unexpected expenses that always seem to pop up at the worst possible times. Whether it's a car repair or a medical bill, these surprises can quickly drain our bank accounts and leave us feeling financially vulnerable. And let's not forget about the temptations of everyday spending. From dining out to online shopping, there are so many opportunities to part with our cash, often without even realizing it. Ultimately, these challenges can leave us feeling overwhelmed and unsure of how to take control of our finances. So, how can we overcome these obstacles and start building a safety net for ourselves? It's not about depriving ourselves of the things we enjoy, but rather about being intentional with our spending and making conscious decisions that align with our financial goals. By doing so, we can start to build a sense of security and confidence in our ability to manage our finances. As we'll explore in this video, there are many strategies and tips that can help us save big in 2025. From budgeting techniques to investment options, and from lifestyle changes to simple hacks, we'll dive into the most effective ways to cut costs and grow our wealth. So, whether you're a financial newbie or a seasoned pro, I'm excited to share these insights with you and help you take your financial game to the next level. One of the most impactful tips I've learned is the 50-30-20 rule. Essentially, this involves allocating 50% of your income towards necessary expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. This simple yet powerful framework can help us prioritize our spending and make sure we're setting aside enough for the future. Another strategy I want to share is the importance of automating our savings. By setting up automatic transfers from our checking account to our savings or investment accounts, we can make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. And finally, let's not underestimate the power of small changes, whether it's cooking at home instead of dining out, or canceling subscription services we no longer use. These tiny tweaks can add up to make a big difference over time. By implementing these strategies and making a commitment to ourselves to stay on track, we can start to see significant savings accumulate over time. And that's exactly what I want to encourage you to do. Take action, start making changes, and watch your financial future begin to transform. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent and patient and trusting that the results will follow. In conclusion, saving money in 2025 requires effort, discipline, and patience, but the payoff is well worth it. By understanding the challenges we face, exploring effective strategies, and making a commitment to ourselves, we can take control of our finances and build a brighter future. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. What are your favorite tips for saving money? Share them with me in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more financial advice and insights.